Hi, this is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness, and in today's Fitness on the Road video, we'll talk about dressing in layers and how to stay warm and comfortable in cold weather. And in the next 4 minutes, you'll learn about the 3 layers that you'll need to wear. Dressing in layers will allow you to regulate your body temperature as you can shed or add layers as needed. Now, think of your core as a house furnace. As you walk and do fitness movements, you raise your core temperature. When you properly dress in layers, you can easily capture this heat to stay warm or release it in order to cool down before you sweat too much. Each layer has a specific job, and applying each layer properly will allow you to walk longer, be more comfortable, and enjoy the walking experience. The base layer. This is the layer that's closest to the skin. It wicks perspiration away from the skin. You warm up, you begin to perspire, and you want to get that moisture away from your skin as quickly as possible. Go with preferred fabrics, either a synthetic or wool, something that you feel very comfortable in. As moisture is drawn away from the skin, it begins to evaporate, which is what you want to happen. Avoid cotton, as it saturates very quickly and is very slow to dry out. This will cause you to expend more energy just to keep this now moist layer warm. The middle layer, or the insulation layer. This helps you retain the heat that radiates from your body. Now, the type of shirts include anything from a thin pullover to a very thick sweater or sweatshirt. If the weather's really cold, I've also added a short sleeve shirt over my base layer to add to the insulation factor. Then I'll add my sweatshirt or my new favorite, my wool Irish sweater. The more layers you have, the easier it is to regulate your body temperature, as you can take layers off or put more on as needed. The outer layer. The outer layer provides wind and rain protection. This layer prevents the wind from blowing away the warmth built up in the insulation layer, and it also protects you from wet weather. There are many choices for the outer layer. If you do the base and middle layer correctly, then this could be as little as a light windbreaker. Just recently I walked in 25-degree weather with just my waterproof windbreaker as my outer shell. This jacket has no lining, it just keeps the wind out, which is its main job. Caution. If you feel a cold wind blowing on your core, then you are losing the warmth that the insulation layer is trying to trap. That's why you need good wind protection on the outer layer. 2 other factors to consider in staying warm. Protect the neck. Wearing a scarf or a bandana around your neck will also trap the heat generated by your body. You can then loosen the scarf to allow heat to escape and thus easily regulate your body temperature. Think of the opening around your neck as a chimney. If you block it with the scarf, you'll stay warmer. You keep the heat in. Loosen the scarf, the heat comes out. Protect the head. Lastly, wearing a hat will help you retain body heat and keep you dry in rainy weather. You do lose heat from your head, but since your head is generally 7% of your total body surface, only 7% of heat is lost through your head. It was a popular misconception that you lost 40 to 50% of body heat through the head. This is not true. Important point, you don't want to overheat. It's very uncomfortable to be sweaty in cold weather, and it could be dangerous. If your base layer is damp, it will take more energy to heat that moisture. So let's review. The base layer is the most important layer as it moves perspiration away from your skin. Synthetic is an ideal material. The insulation layer traps warmth around you. Several thinner layers are better. The outer layer is to keep the wind from blowing away the heat built up in the insulation layer. Your next step. Make a game plan for walking in cold weather. Go through your clothes and determine which garments will be used for your base, insulation, and outer layers. Experiment with different combinations of clothing to find out what keeps you most comfortable. Take notes during your cold weather walks as to what you wore and how effective it was. Now that you know how to dress in layers, get out and walk more in cold weather. Subscribe to this channel for more walking for health and fitness videos. Click in the description for more walking information. Walk on!